today the dolls are so sleepy, so they need to take a nap. Woo! We're so tired, right? Yeah, we're so tired. Eating dinner and eating pizza. Now let's go to bed. Come on, kids. Time to go to bed. First up is you, Elsya, and you too. Yeah, 3. And Elsya, are you sleepy? Yes, I'm sleepy, Mommy. Come on, you too. Come on, you too, Belle. Aurora's already sleeping. Come on, Elsya. You're last. Come on. Go upstairs. I'm going to go upstairs. Just hop, 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 hop. Hey, but you 3 shouldn't go over there. You go down here. Elsya, you should go up there. Oops, sorry, Mom. You should go upstairs on your own. Well, I'm going to sit with Anna. Hey! Come on, guys. Let's go to bed. Yeah, I'm so tired. Yeah. Come on, Annya. Coming. The one chair just fell. And that's my chair. Oh, sorry. Hop. Come on, you guys. Annya, you're next. Come on, Tiana. You go up, down. Come on, you guys. Okay, I'm coming, Elsya. Don't worry. Hop, hop, hop. Yeah. Come on, Chelsea. Yeah. We're waiting for you. Coming. Yeah. Whoa, Annya. What is it? Your dress is all ripped up. And your rip is kind of like Rapunzel's hair. Yeah. Harus bukain sepatunya sama tidur. Harus bukain sepatunya. Gak apa-apa. Pura-pura aja, Pak. Whoa. Up. Yeah. I'm gonna go in this bed. I'm gonna go in this side. I'm last, and I'm in the middle, and I'm here. So good. Hey, Elsya, why are your ponytails like that? Oh, sorry. Good night, girls. Come on, you guys. I'm here. I'm here, guys. It's the afternoon for now. Hey, Daddy, look. This one matches Anya's dress, but I don't see Anya, the old one, right? Like this one, but this one has the pink dress now. it's your turn, Chelsea. Okay. I mean Rapunzel. Okay. There we go. And Aurora, you're next. Thank you. Let's go gather up these chairs, kids. Let's go gather these up. Oops, Elsya's beside Anya's. Let me just clip that a bit. And Chelsea's the yellow one. She's the yellow one. I mean, she's the green one over here. Kids, do you know who's Chelsea's? Kids, do you know who Chelsea just hey, kids, you know, subscribe. You know who's Chelsea sitting on one of the chairs? Is it yellow or green?
Green.
Oh yeah, the green one. Put it the chairs here. Let's go bed, guys. I'm tired.
Put some blankets.
I forgot to put some blankets on them. First of all, I'm going to put their blanket. First they have to go over there. Just like Uncle. She already do that. Come on, you two. Are these all of our mommy's presents? Yes. There we go. Daddy, where should Skipper and Stacie and Gamil sleep? Where? Where? And where? But there's no more space. But they can sleep. Oh, I know.
Here.
Yeah, but where's Gamil gonna sleep? Up. I think Skipper can just sleep up here. Since it's her favorite. Up. There we go, made some. Whoa! I just fell down. Are you okay, Skipper? Are you okay, Skipper? Yes, I'm okay, Gummy. It's okay. Let me help you. Since you already raised up your hand. This one. Oh yeah, on the side. I forgot. Thank you. You're welcome. Him to go up, and I'll promise I'll never do that again. Whoa! I just fell down again. Oh, Skipper. Oh, Skipper. You always fell down again. Why do you always fall down? I don't know, because what if you look like that, like this? Let me try to get up too. Whoa! Like that. Whoa. Why? Whoa! Whoa! Are you okay, guys? Yes, we're okay. Let me help you. First of all, Romeo. Oh, thank you. Are you actually Elsya's sister? Of course. And Anya's sister? Are you Elsya and Anya's sister? Yeah. Well, I'm Anya's sister. Well, I'm Chelsea's sister. Time for you too, Skipper. Ugh. This time I don't want to do that. Come on, Chelsea. Okay. I mean, Stacie. This time I'll be very careful not falling. Jump, 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 jump. Here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I fell down my mistake again. It's okay, I'll raise it myself. Time to do this. One more time. I can do this. What? There we go. I made it up here. I'm way up here. Nice and confident. Skipper's dress. And now Gummy's turn. Ah, what's that? Nothing. It's really nothing. I don't. Oh, sorry. Okay. Why can't this? I don't need extra more blanket, but I can. The cold doesn't bother me, just like Elsa. I'm gonna do like Skipper. Huh. Daddy, where should Stacie sleep? There's no more space for her. Well, where shall I sleep? I think she can sleep right over here. But there's no more space. Okay, I guess she'll sleep with Barbie. Barbie. Take off their blankets. Like this. Good night, guys. Hey, Daddy. Elsa don't need a blanket. The cold doesn't bother her. And Stacie can have it on her dress. There you go, Stacie. Bye. Bye.